cleaning a VW Fox. I think it's VW Fox, not actually. I don't actually know. Not the garage, because there's cloths in there, I think. Ow! This garage door's not very good. It's not. I think it's unlocked. It's just this garage door's not very good. Oh god, it's just why. Oh, give me a minute. Got it open. Why is it windy in here? Oh, fan. I'm gonna prop the door open in a minute. Brick. I'm gonna put a brick there. Sure that works. Maybe 10 minutes I'll find the cloths. Ooh, bananas. Nice, there's Steve. Hello, Steve. I don't know why we've got skeleton called Steve. Where's his hands gone? Oh well. Give me 10 minutes while I find whatever things I need. The cloths. Bananas! Hi, Steve. I suppose you don't know where the cloths are, do you? No? Alright, fair enough. It's great. I'll go ask. Well, hey, focus. Yeah, I've got that one, so I'll go lock the garage now. Garage is locked somehow. Right then, hey. I think it's all VW Fox. I don't actually know. I'll assume it is. I don't know. I'm gonna clean it anyway. Oh, it's all soapy. Get off. I have a big wheelchair reflection. I'm not weird, I promise. I'll get you myself the hose pipe first. Oh, hello, Eddie. Hey, Eddie. Why do you now not like phones? You love phones, as you know it's Charlie, isn't it? Or the cat. Hello. He just seems very fascinated by this though. See? He's really like it. Oh, no. I've never got it worked on it. Eddie. Eddie, really inconvenient. I need to move the hose back here. I'm gonna pull it out what? On this thing. Come on. There we go. Yay. Right then. Although it's windy. I think the wind's going to come in like a minute now, so... Right. I'll pause as though I can't. It's really inconvenient to video. Yeah, I'll put it into these. Yeah, that works. It's these things. I've got my own lights. Little in the way of the video. There we go. That's sort of okay. You know, it's good enough because I can't bother to frame it myself because I'm lazy. I've again gone out of focus, I guarantee it. I like to set the camera. I'm sorry if it's windy, because it is. I live in England, unfortunately. Being English, it means terrible weather all the time.
Keep going! Walk in!
You're not good enough. The hole's got what's cold, and this wall's getting cold again. So feels like, you don't leave it actually. Come on, phone. There we go. Oh, this toast box in the way. Yep, I've already scratched that. That's great. Doesn't matter anyway. Oh damn it! Of course it does that. All Volkswagen versions all get this around the edge. I don't know why. It's gone cold now, it's great. Clean. Is this a VW Fox? I don't know. Yeah. I really should know. Yeah. This is probably very boring to watch, I know, but I'll just clean it first. Yeah. Right. To the edge. There we go. Make so I can, get better camera angles. I'll probably just skip when I've done all these. You know what? sod it to the VW Fox and I'll do more. There's too many of these things to do. And there's too much dirt stuck on in it, so I'll just leave that there. I've got more anyway. I've got loads. Half of these aren't clean. Actually, most of them aren't. That was quite dirty. What is that one? It's a Mondeo? I don't know. It's something. Looks a weird shape. Well, I'll rinse it. So I left those back on. Yeah, I've used my professional camera propping up method of this. Pro magnification. It's great. Oh no, you should play it with the camera. Blur it. It's fine. There's the hose pipe. So this. I was going to spray it then before I hit my phone. I think we good. Probably can't see that because of course it's probably not in frame. I've got water all down the side of my phone. It's great. Okay, so all you can see right now is the hose pipe. Sort out, I'll just keep them for me. I think it's right now. Ooh, Speedy Man. That's all I can be bothered to do it on it, so you know, I don't go up them. Because I'm lazy, and plus I don't do it to Eddie, he's back. Of course he is. What are you doing? Tearing up the fake grass. Lovely. Oh, I got water all down my phone. Oh well. Right then. I'll, it's much more easy to clean. I regret saying that. What's that? That's same with that one. This is looking okay. It doesn't have a badge on it though. But yeah, I don't know if it's real. I do want the VW Fox one to go more, but it's too dirty to do on this video, so I'm using it in another one. Can't get it sideways because I can't hold it. Oh hey, look, I can prop it up using one of my other wheel trims. That's good. No, it's just not working. Oh well. Are these bits easy? Yes, they are. Wow, that comes off really easily. Good. Because there isn't actually as many of these, and plus it comes up easy. I won't speed this up. I'll just keep recording. Guess somebody likes this. I doubt anybody would. Bird. So if his camera angles are really rubbish, it's because I'm trying to clean with him holding the phone, so the camera keeps switching sideways. Thank you. Yeah, I need to get something to hold the camera. I'm just recording with my phone. I can't use a professional camera, I'm too lazy. Also, it's expensive. And I've got like 700 subscribers. So I think it's not really. Why is it bubbling? Oh, it's probably that and also this. I need a storage, as I was saying before I actually stopped recording, I need a storage method for these, and they're everywhere. Once I clean them, I can't have them all in my room. I've got like over 30, I think. I think I've got over 30, not by actually that much, I've got like 31, so. I actually press the volume button on top of my phone, because when I'm holding it. I don't know if this is real. It might be. It needs a new badge anyway. I was actually. I don't really know what these are. What this wheel trim is, because this one's in pieces. But it seems to clearly had a badge on it. But there's just I've got two of these and neither of them have the badge. I think this one clearly did at some point because look, you see like still like a little peg in there from having a badge. I don't know what these are. I don't know. I've got like two of them. Neither have the badge. And I've looked for. I guess I could look online for these, but I can't be bothered. I suppose they've even done like a black plastic, I've had a blue plastic one underneath it, so I don't know. This is amazing to watch. Alright. I'll skip to when I've done these 3. Hello, I've done them now. That one's kind of stuck on, but it's fine. I'll do the back after this. I don't know if this is real or not, it looks spray painted, but alright, put rinse off down there. Oh well. Oh well, right now. Actually, never mind, actually I need to... I regret doing that, because I've got to put the widgeon facing that way now, and I've just cleaned this side. I'll do it, there's a rock there. I'll move it. Yep. Cool, oh, the rings come off. Good. Alright, then I'll clean the back. Oh no, that's great. Walking it. Smart. There we go. Clean this bit now. Is this one that cleans up really easily or no? It seems to be yes, because some of these they clean up, they just don't clean up at all. So stuck on. I spoke too soon, but it's not coming up at all. Yeah, sometimes they'll clean up really easily like this, or they just don't come off at all, or very much anyway, because it's just so stuck on. Oh, this is a real one, but it could be. Don't want the leaf stuck in it. Ew. Right. Yeah. It could be. I don't know, because it hasn't got a patch on it. I mean, I don't know. Oh well. Yep, stand like that. That's very good. It's off a Mondeo. If it is real, or it's not. But it's off a Mondeo. Because I want to be on like a Mondeo estate. Yeah, well, I'll put a picture of one that I'm thinking of on screen. Yeah. Also, speaking of... No, actually not speaking of at all. But I recently the Fiat 500 wheel trim, which has the worst design ever. I don't know if I got a video, I think I might have. It's like, it's these bits here, but this one's got it all. But it's not so bad though. See, it goes in a bit, 500, it goes like down to like, oh crap, you fell over them. It's like over against like here, and it's really hard to get anything into, so there's dirt stuck in it. Yeah, I couldn't get it out, so I just kind of left it there. I'll probably get the walls as well. Why have I run out so much? I guess soap probably just on this time. Where the Christ that rock come from? Alright. I'll rinse that now. Get vented. I'll rinse it off over down here this time. I can't bother to set that thing up. I'll do that fine. It's like 2 seconds. There we go, good enough. Right. What just be able to fix? Losing focus. Let me get off the phone. That's packed. Right. Good. Right, come on phone, get here. There you go. I'll do the edge now. There's my phone. Yeah, I'll prop it up against, actually no I can't because that's... Actually I'll rinse off the video with Fox one. Because I can. And also it's kind of in the way. Alright. And then where's my... I'll just clean it, I'll pause the video. Good. Yeah, there's water on the lens, whatever. Yeah, that's how it looks now. It's good-ish. I'll come on to the rest of the back, it's fine. I need storage most of these. I'm ready. Ow, still not moving. Sorry. How dare you be in the way? Aha, be wet. We're good for the badge, I'm sure. And speed clean. Nope. Probably not good at it, oh well. There we go. I have to store these because I don't really have to. Hello. I'll stop being childish. I can't. I don't know. Oh well.